I was sent this set of two Milwaukee compatible batteries. These are replacement batteries for your Milwaukee tools. They come in that same form and factor as the M12 batteries from Milwaukee. It's got the same clips here that grab onto the tool itself on each side. You've got the same configuration for the battery connections, whereas these are typically a 2 amp hour system. In this case, these are coming in at 3 amp hours. So you're going to get even more power packed into these here than your typical Milwaukee originals. So these two here are going to work just like your Milwaukee batteries. They're a direct replacement. You can put them into any compatible tool that uses the M12 system here, just like this one. I'm just going to plug it in like this, lock it into place, and we're ready to go to work. So these are really good for the value that you get. You can buy this in a set of 2 and even other configurations as well. You're going to get good savings in that respect and good economy of scale. These things are really well made. You can tell by the plastics and everything. It just feels like a regular battery here. It's a replacement that's going to go a long ways. Hey, I hope that helped to learn a little bit more about this 2-pack of these Milwaukee M12 compatible battery replacements. These are 3 amp hour systems. Hope this was helpful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.